In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to set unit in AutoCAD. So there are two types of unit. One is called as drawing unit and another is called as measuring unit. For example, I want to draw a line here, okay, of 10 centimeters. So this is called as drawing unit, okay. And if I want to measure this line in millimeter, that will be a measuring unit, okay. In AutoCAD, we have to set drawing unit as well as measuring unit, okay. So in this tutorial we are going to set drawing unit. For that I will just go here in application button. I will click on this drop down arrow and from here you can see one of the option drawing utilities. So here you can see one of option and that is unit. So I will click here and it will just open drawing unit dialog box, or you can use this command, that is un, okay. This is shortcut for units, and I will hit enter. It will open that dialog box. From here you can see different kind of options here. For example, in length type you can see here right now it is selected as decimal. If you want to just work in millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, so here you have to set as decimal. But if you want to just work in feet, inches, you will just select here architectural or engineering, okay. So right now I want to just work in decimal or millimeter, centimeter, so I will select here decimal. But in architectural and engineering, you can see the difference here will be when I will select this architectural, you can see here precision, it is just fractional 1 by 8, 1 by 16, 1 by 32, okay. But when I will just select engineering, and the precision here is not fractional, so here it will be mere like 5 feet 6 inch, 5 feet 2 inch, like this, not in fractional, okay. So I will suggest you that if you want to work in inches or feet, select this engineering, and if you want to just work in millimeter, centimeter, select from here as decimal. And the second thing here is precision. So decimal places we have to select after point 1 decimal place 2, 3. So I will just select here 2 for example, okay. Now the next thing here is insertion scale, in which unit you want to work, or what will be the drawing unit. Here if I want to work in millimeter, I will select from here millimeter. If I want to work in centimeter, I will select here centimeter. And if I want to work in meters, kilometer, okay. So any of the unit I will select, that will be drawing unit. So I will just select millimeter as I want to work in millimeters, so I will select here as millimeter. Again from here you can just set angle as well. For example, you can see here decimal degree selected, you can just select as degree, minute, second, and grades, radian, and survey unit as well, okay. So right now I want as decimal degree, so I will select this one. And you can set precision as 2 decimal place, 1 decimal place, any of the precision from here. So I need 1 decimal place. And here AutoCAD is going to measure angle anti-clockwise as a positive. If you want clockwise as positive, you can check this one, okay. Now it will just measure angle in positive direction as clockwise. And if you want as default as anti-clockwise as positive, you can just uncheck this one. After all of these settings, as I need decimal, and from here I want to work in millimeter, and then the type of angle as decimal degree, okay, precision as one decimal place, and you can just choose this one. After all of these setting, I will press OK. So our drawing units are going to set here. Now in next tutorial we will see how to set measuring unit in AutoCAD. So I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.